It is not quite a pancake, not quite a hopper either. Soft, spongy with a slight lift to it. Made from a fermented rice batter that turns gently tangy with a hint of sweetness. The base is close to a Palappam batter, but thicker. More milk goes in. It does not need to sit overnight. An hour is enough for it to rise slightly and pick up that mild tang. While the batter rests, coconut oil is heated in a pan. Sliced shallots go in, followed by curry leaves. They soften slowly, turning slightly sweet, releasing their flavor into the oil. An appachatti is heated. A ladle of batter is poured in and spread gently. It is covered and cooked for a few minutes. Once the top sets, the sautéed shallots and curry leaves are added over it. Then it is flipped just once to cook the other side. What comes off the pan is soft and spongy, with a light tang from the fermentation and the sweetness of shallots running through it. Easter in Kerala is always about the breads on the table. Appams, crepes, hoppers, all lined up next to spicy meat curries. But in many homes around Kottayam, this is the one that stands out, Pulicha Appam.